Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. We're going to do a test shot on a Rocket espresso machine. This was overfilling. We changed the refill probe and we're going to give it a nice little test shot here. Let's see how it goes. We'll cut this out. Check the steam. Nice strong steam. There's the water. These are refilled. Thank you very much for repairing with Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page.